Halo semua, selamat datang di channel ini. Hari ini kita mau buat cakalang fufu tumis. Mari kita masak. Ini dia bahannya. Sudah ada cakalang fufu 2 ekor, tomat, bawang merah, bawang putih, kemiri. Ini ada sisa sambal kemarin, di dalamnya ada bawang putih 1 biji, bawang merah, goraka atau jahe, dan tomat 1 biji. Karena ini ada ricanya, mungkin ada lebih dari 5, kita 1 tomat. Karena buat anak-anak makan juga. Selamat mencuci piring kakak Noah. Oke, mari kita potong-potong, mari kita haluskan. Oke, jika cakalang sudah dikeluarkan tulangnya, tomat sudah dipotong, ini tadi, ini bawang putih sedikit, kemiri, bawang merah sudah dipotong. Belum selesai, mari kita tumis. Oke, kita panaskan minyak pertama. Kita taruh bawang merah,
growing up ain't easy. Too many things to do weekly. Too many thoughts to think deeply. Too many thoughts to be
taruh bawang putih.
Oh my God, I'm not eating. I feel so empty, I'm receding. And all of my friends are misleading. All of these posts and the lives they're leading, yeah. Oh, no way, I ain't gonna stand for this today. I'ma keep my head down, I'm okay. I don't wanna listen to a word they say.
Bisa dicat kemarin. Kenapa?
Y'all feel broken, yeah. And we all outspoken. Need someone who could just so sometimes I struggle in this place. Been in circles several days, never knowing the right way. Yeah. Sometimes I struggle in this place. People look the other way, and we all deal with our pain. Oh yeah. No, I'm not down, no, I'm not out. If I got a voice, they gon' hear me shout. I can make my own choice and we've all got a mouth. I'ma make noise, yeah, that I don't doubt. I don't feel failure, not yet. Mistakes they make, yeah, better don't regret. And like Drake said, man, I'm upset. Too many people out here wasting their breath, yeah, yeah. And still I feel like we've just all been going crazy. Too many people need to find themselves some safety. Just take control of your life, it's all day to day, yeah. Don't need nobody else, myself can always save. Sometimes I struggle in this place, been in circles several days, never knowing the right way. Yeah. Sometimes I struggle in this place, people look the other way, and we all deal with our pain. Oh yeah. Sometimes I struggle in this place, been in circles several days, never knowing the right way. Yeah. Sometimes I struggle in this place, people look the other way, and we all deal with our pain. Oh yeah. Growing up ain't easy. Too many things to do weekly. Too many thoughts to think deeply. Too many thoughts to be sleeping, yeah. Oh my God, I'm not eating. I feel so empty, I'm receding. And all of my friends are misleading. All of these posts and the lives they're leading, yeah. Oh, no way, I ain't gonna stand for this today. I'ma keep my head down, I'm okay. I don't wanna listen to a word they say.
Sekian masak-masak hari ini. Terima kasih sudah menonton. Bye. Sekian masak-masak hari ini. Terima kasih sudah menonton. Bye. Hari depan.